everyone, it's Catherine from the OET. Happy Valentine's Day. What are you going to be doing for Valentine's Day this year? We are back with another mini lesson, and this lesson we are making this very beautiful and special Valentine's Day heart with Lego. So for this heart, you will need your Lego box. Bring along a few bricks. We have our rectangle bricks and our square bricks. You can choose any colors that you like. And I have a very special helper in today's video. My son, he is going to be making his very own Lego heart along with me. Are you ready to make one? Brilliant, let's get started. So for your very own Valentine's Day Lego heart, you will need 5 of these small 4 square bricks and 17 of these 8 square bricks. Shall we count them out together? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 squares. Check. Let's double check we have the right amount of our 8 bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have all the bricks we need to make our Valentine's Day heart. And you can choose any colors you like. What colors have you chosen? We've chosen green, orange, yellow, and blue. And what colors did I choose to make my heart with? Pink, purple, and red. Yeah, exactly. Let us know what colors you choose to make your Valentine's Day heart with. So shall we begin? Yes. Yes. Okay, let's go. So first, we need a small brick, our square brick. So this is going to be our bottom brick. On the top, we need to choose any color of our 8-dot brick. So this is our rectangle. So it looks like this. Okay, so we've done the bottom. Now, what would be a great idea is if we mix the colors up. So we've already used a blue and a yellow. What other color could we use that we haven't used yet? So your orange goes on the side and it hangs over the edge like this. So can you see we have that nice diagonal shape to build the side of the heart. And on this side, we need a rectangle. Excellent. So let's push that rectangle on. Okay, now we need lots of rectangles. So 2 rectangles building on either side. Can you choose 2 rectangles, please? A green and a dark blue. So 1 goes on this side. So we're only clicking it onto 3 dots. And then 1 on the other side, please. Brilliant. And I have 2 more rectangles. Choose any 2. Oh, lovely. So we have an orange and a light blue now. So I'm going to put the light blue on. Would you like to put the orange on? So I'm just lining it up, making sure that 1 of the sets of dots hangs over the edge. And now we have that gap that we're building in the middle of our heart. Okay, let's do another one. I'm going to choose green on my side. What do you have? Yellow. Yellow, excellent. Have you lined that up so it's the same? That's better. So we want it to be nice and equal on both sides. Okay, now we need another set. Oh, I think I'm going to choose dark blue. What would you like? Oh, nice. It's a middle tone blue, isn't it? Now this time, instead of hanging over the edge,
we need to start building the top round part of the heart. So we're going to put the next brick directly on top. So I'm going to choose a different color for mine. Oh, nice. And you can see it makes it really interesting if you mix up the colors. Brilliant. Now, instead of hanging over, we want to hang it on the inside. So I'm going to take my brick, and instead of hanging it this way, we're going to push it so that it hangs in the middle. So you've got that leftover part in the middle. So it's on 1, 2, 3 of the dots, and number 4 is hanging over. And you get this nice shape in the middle of your bricks. And then one more, doing the same thing on the top. There we go. Is that equal? Is that the same? Okay, let's try again. That's it. Sometimes it won't push down if it's not lined up. Is that the same now? Yes, it is. So next we need to use our small square bricks. So we want 2 squares, 1 square on either side, on the inside. That's it. And one more. There we go. So being nice and gentle to not break our heart. To secure it, we want to use our last rectangle brick in the middle. That's right. And finally, what do we have left?
A square.
And that goes on the inside. Ta-da! We just made our very own Valentine's Day Lego heart. Aren't they beautiful? So you could create a couple of Lego hearts. You could even make 4 to make a nice symmetrical picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could put these together to make a nice heart-shaped picture. And you can gift these to someone in your family or one of your friends as a happy Valentine's Day gift. I hope you really enjoyed making hearts with us today. We certainly did. Thank you so much for coming along and making a Lego heart for this Valentine's Day. I think they look brilliant, and didn't my son do an excellent job making his very own Lego Valentine's Day heart? I hope you had lots of fun learning with us. Make sure to stay tuned, and if you haven't already, join our Facebook group, Kids Love to Learn English, for more mini lessons every single week. And if not, you can check out our videos at the end of the week on our YouTube and social media channels, The Online ESL Teacher. I am back with you again later in the week with another video from one of our very own teachers here at the OET. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day, whatever it is you choose to do this year, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye from me and the whole OET team. Goodbye.